Hello summoners, welcome back to new Wild Rift video. Today we will learn about Wild Rift rank system. First of all, let me tell you something about ranks. Ranks is the most unique system of a game. For better gaming experience. As if the skill level of players don't match properly, no one will have that fun in game. So ranks are very important for balancing skills as well as feels the game at its best. So our Wild Rift ranks starts where the Mobile Legends ranks end. Why I'm saying this? Because if you don't have the experience of MOBA games like Mobile Legends, Arena of Valor, you will have really hard time with Wild Rift. Like what a shitty game this is. So if you have the experience to these MOBA before, and you will have a better experience in Wild Rift, although there are lots of macro and micro things you have to care for Wild Rift. I cover those things later. So let's focus the actual rankings of Wild Rift. The initial rank of Wild Rift will be Iron. Yes, the haven of wood players. Where we all learn how to play League. As the main division is Iron. And there must have 3 subdivision of it. As League of Legends having 4 subdivision. As a mobile game this must be less than PC version. So there will be Iron 1, Iron 2 and lastly Iron 3. So the next level is Bronze. So there will have 3 subdivision also. Bronze 1, Bronze 2 and Bronze 3. After Bronze you will have the Silver rank. Where there are also 3 subdivision. Silver 1, Silver 2 and Silver 3. Where the maximum players knows how to play champions and what does all the champions do. After Silver we will experience Gold rank. Where all the players ego life. And yes, a gold player himself thinks as a god. And there also have 3 subdivision. Where Gold 1, Gold 2 and Gold 3. Coming up next we have the new Emerald rank, where there are also 3 subdivision. These are Emerald 1, Emerald 2 and Emerald 3. This rank is special for Wild Rift. And yes, we are hyped for it a lot. And after Emerald the ult is the Platinum division. Where people actually play good. I mean classic gameplay where lies. As they're also having 3 subdivision: Platinum 1, Platinum 2 and Platinum 3. After Platinum Ultimate Diamond ranks start. Where the professional players are being professional. As if you are a diamond player you have the quality to play professional games. And the actual struggle starts from here. Why I am saying this, I will explain this later in this video. As the Diamond has also 3 subdivision, where Diamond 1, Diamond 2 and Diamond 3. Not mentioned that when you will rank up you will reach the 3rd category of the upper rank, and by winning you will level up the rank process by 2 then 1. Coming up next the Master, Grandmaster, and Challenger tiers. As there are the single tiers. Where there is no subdivisions and there have no LP limits, where you will need to overtake others to gain the position. Upper rank threshold varies per region to region. Where you have to be the best of the best. Master, Grandmaster, and Challenger tiers each comprise a single division of the most skilled and competitive League of Legends players. There is no LP limit, but players must overtake each other's counts to gain standing. Every 24 hours, players calculated within a percentile of the top players will be replaced in the appropriate tier. As Wild Rift rank system may vary a little but not receive a huge difference. If you will know that the total amount of Master, Grandmaster, and Challenger players is only 0.144% of total League of Legends players. Where the maximum players are in the Silver and Gold tier. And yes, most of these players having a great fun in game.
As if there is nothing to lose actually. Hope in Wild Rift we will have also good experience and have some fun. Well guys, that's all from today. See you all in the Rift and also in the new Wild Rift update video. Hope you all enjoyed and never forget to subscribe.